Hi everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for another video. Today I have two new sticker books from Amber Plans Her Day that are releasing today. Seasonal Florals and Functional Essentials. I'm going to flip through both of these books so you can see all the stickers that are releasing at 8 a.m. Mountain Standard Time. So I will have this linked down in the description. I also have a discount code if you're interested in using that. But yeah, I'm going to flip through these, but let's do the seasonal florals first. And these are both like 30-page sticker books. All right, so here's the first sheet. We have some blue florals here, two of the same sticker sheets, the coordinating boxes. And the next one, that one looks kind of Christmassy. Winter, and then the boxes. So it looks like you get two of these sheets and then the coordinating boxes. Ooh, these are pretty. And then the boxes. Oh, these are nice because they're kind of like a little garden. So those would be nice to put on the bottom of the page. So there's the two sheets and then the boxes. Here's some more of the big florals. I like the big ones on the sides. We have some smaller ones too. Pinks and greens and blues. Actually, it's kind of like a gray blue. That's pretty. Tropical florals. There's some summery spreads. But I kind of like that this is like more subdued summer. Not super bright. And then we have bright, colorful ones on this page. And the boxes. More like neutral tone on this one. Ooh, those are pretty pinks. This one's kind of like fallish. Boxes. And then more like autumn looking florals. And then the brown boxes. Really pretty. Okay, so that one is seasonal florals, something that you could use throughout the year if you like doing florally kind of spreads. All right, and the next book, I'm actually really interested in this one because this one is different. Functional Essentials sticker book. Right, so kind of like the essentials that you need for spreads. So we have black boxes and bullet points and checklists in a variety of sizes. So you get a few sheets like that. So it looks like 4, 5, 6, 7. Then we have the bigger boxes here. So it's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Some squared little checklist boxes. So you can use them like a bullet point. There's tons of them on here. So 2 sheets like that. A bunch of headers. To do, today, this week, top 3, reminder, must do list. In black. So 2 sheets like that. These are really cute, these little icons. They're paper, so you can color them in on this sheet. But you get a pen, some money, a little cake, dinner, grocery shopping, gas, trash, laundry, vacuuming, and cleaning. Okay, so you get a couple sheets like that. And then you do get them in clear as well. So these are clear sheets. These are so cute. Then some words. These are clear. To do, priority, today, top 3, must do, important. So you get some clear words. Meeting this week, errands to buy, appointment, busy day. These are clear as well. Day off, reminder, payday, celebrate, bill due, birthday. Ooh, I love having birthday stickers. That's good. And there's 2 of those sheets. Planning, currently, reading, loving, watching, and feeling. And then you have 2 like that. All right, cool. So that is functional essentials and seasonal florals. Those are the 2 new sticker books that are releasing today. Again, I'll have these linked down in the description if you're interested in purchasing. And then I do have a discount code to purchase as well. So I hope you enjoyed watching these flip throughs. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. If you want to see more, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and I hope to see you in the next video.